Hello everyone. How to make vegetable salad during fat loss period. Rich in ingredients and lose weight. Eggs in a pot with cold water. The boiled eggs are very tender. Let us cut off the roots. Take the leaves and put them in water. Soak with salt for 3 minutes. Clean and dice half an onion. Cherry tomatoes cut in half. Cut the lettuce too. Boiled eggs cracked. This makes it easier to peel off the eggshell. Supplement us with protein and nutrients. Put the eggs in again. The key is that this vinaigrette is delicious with everything. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. It can also be paired with some boiled chicken. Feel free to match the more kinds of vegetables you like. Protein. Nutrition will also be more comprehensive.